everyone. I'm thrilled to be a market expert on Mint, and what I'm going to be talking about is how we've seen the markets over the last few days. It has been one seesaw ride, where which started sometime last Friday, where you had a massive announcement coming in from the finance minister, who mentioned that corporate taxes would be reduced, and there were various rates given for MAT as well as corporate taxes as well as for new businesses. And this was viewed as extremely positively by the investment fraternity. You had most of the local mutual funds, insurances, and HNIs coming in a meaningful way to buy into those markets. On Monday, we saw a little bit of a follow up to that rally, as a lot of the FIIs who had felt left out during the Friday rally came in to participate. And then over Tuesday and yesterday, there was a little bit of profit booking because you had almost seen a 9-10% sort of rally. As we go into tomorrow, we are going to see an expiry, and as a result of which there could be some more bouts of volatility. But I do believe that it is going to be a little bit of a positive momentum over the next few weeks, and we believe that some of the sectors should do extremely well, especially capital goods, engineering, cement, and infra. Real estate is also one of the sectors that has been doing well over the last few months, and we expect that to continue as well. Some of the names that we like in this space are NCC, JK Cement, ACC, and L&T. And in the real estate space, we would be bullish on Godrej Properties, Sobha, and Brigade. However, given that these sectors have seen a huge amount of positivity, there are some sectors where profit booking took over, and that was in the case of IT and pharma. However, we do believe that IT should continue to do well because fundamentally there is strong growth, and valuations are still compelling enough, and they are throwing up huge amounts of cash, which bodes well in a market like this. We think that the mid caps in the IT space should actually outperform the large caps going forward, as their valuations have come off quite a bit in the recent past, and as a result, valuations are extremely compelling. Also, when pharma, there are pockets that are looking interesting. So Dr. Reddy's and Lupin is something that we would recommend. But apart from that, we would stick to the sectors that I mentioned. Financials have seen a lot of action over the last few weeks. Though private banks, corporate banks have done well, we still think that this will continue. HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank continue to remain our top picks there. All in all, as we head into the expiry and then over the next few weeks in the run up to Diwali, we think momentum will continue. FIs which have been on the sidelines should continue to sort of trickle in. And the locals, some of them who had held anywhere between 5 to 10% in cash are already getting into these markets, and we believe that over the next few months, markets should should form a new high if this momentum continues. Because of the plain reason that this is not the only announcement that we're expecting. In fact, this was the first of many announcements that we expect the government to make, and that is probably what is going to keep the market in good stead. Thank you.